Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to take the opportunity in this very, very short video to demonstrate the ease of trading from the chart in our flagship trading program, eFutures International, here at Cannon Trading in Beverly Hills, California. And before we start, please take careful note of the risk disclaimer that is accompanying this video, as commodity futures trading is not suitable for everyone. So here we have opened up a chart on the E-mini S&P, a very, very popular contract for traders. You can see the ES Z4. We got the December contract opened up here. We've got a 1-minute chart, and we can see the beauty of the chart here in front of us. And what we're going to do very quickly here, because this is a very brief video, we're going to go very quickly to trade mode here. It's very easy to select trade mode. So we've selected trade mode, and we see the options opening up here on the right side to give us a full overview of our position. Right now we would be here. You see the quantity, for instance. Let's make this 2 contracts that we want to trade. So we selected 2 there. Our position is we are flat right now at this point. Here we can see the total P&L, profit and loss. And what we're going to do is we're going to go long right now the markets. We're just simply going to put in a market order. So now we're long 2 contracts. We've just been filled. Here we can see our position where we were filled. Right over here, position 2. And this is the beauty of using eFutures International, in my opinion, is on the left side we can see designated which mouse, either left mouse click or right mouse click, we need to use if we want to put in our protective stops, either if we want to initiate an order, put in a protective stop, if we also want to minimize losses, or of course protect some profits that have been gained. So here we can see we can put in with a right mouse click, designated here on the right side, a sell limit order or a buy stop. Here it's designated for 2 contracts. We could change that, of course. Again, we see our position right here. So let's put in, because we've gone long, let's put in a protective stop here at this level. And let's put it for both contracts. Again, looking over here would be a right mouse click, a very simple right mouse click. And there we've established our sell stop right there. Because we've gone long, we now have a protective stop set in at this level right here. Here's the market level right there. And there we can see where our sell stop is located for both of those contracts. We could change the number, the quantity of contracts here. We can also drag very easily up and down where we would like to have that stop triggered, moving just up and down here. We can also move back. Here we're receiving a warning. Are you sure you want to modify the order? Yes, we want to modify that order. And we can, of course, designate whether or not we want those warning signals to come up for us. Experienced traders who feel very confident trading for the platform could designate for the platform to just disregard those warning labels. Okay, so we can go up and down. Let's actually go flat now. So we're going to sell at the market. Here we can see that we lost $50 on that trade. Okay, so let's go short the market here. So now we're short. We can see our position. We're short 2 contracts at this price level, 19.29 3/4 right there. And if we look here we can see the position that we've put in. The -2, of course, designates that we are short 2 contracts. Let's put in another protective stop here. Okay. So we've gone short, so let's put in a buy stop above the market here at this price level. And then, again, using the ease of the mouse here, we can see that it's the left mouse clicker right here. So we'll put in, at this level, 2 buy stop orders right there. And we can drag them, again, up and down very easily here. We can modify the order. We can also cancel the order with this X here. And again, we're receiving this warning. Are you sure you want to modify the order? Yes, we want to modify the order. We can move back in time very easily using this part of the taskbar. So we can go back and take a look at some technical analysis because we're using this 1-minute chart here. But this gives you just a brief introduction to the ease of trading from the chart in eFutures International. Again, our flagship trading program here at Cannon Trading Company in Beverly Hills, California. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.